Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Lupino here. It's Sunday afternoon. It's 2:30 Pacific, and the futures market's going to open up here in about 30 minutes. We'll figure out what's going on with this COVID crisis, with this new variant that's out there. Let's see how it's going to affect the overall markets here and the opening markets. On the weekend, on Sunday afternoon at 3 p.m. Pacific. So you got about 27 minutes before that market opens. Currently, there is no indication in the futures market at this point. I'm not sure uh, if the euro dollar has an indication, but that sometimes tends to clue us in as far as what could happen with the overall macro on the macro level of what may be going on. But if you can see my charts here on the screen here, we got a chart of the euro. Looks like the euro has had a rally. What's that time? That's 10. No, that's going back to Friday, excuse me. So that was Friday's action. So there was a bid. There was a bid on the euro. Dollar sold off. Um, got a big fat candle. It's an engulfing candle, empowering candle. So we'll see what happens. But quick recap here on the on a shortened day on Friday. The overall markets from Wednesday to Thursday, even though it was Thanksgiving, the markets were tentatively open for a few hours. The futures markets, that is. And, the market sold off Thursday. And then this was Thursday afternoon and then Thursday evening. And then Friday, the markets just got obliterated, down over 100 S&P points. With the SPX, let's take a quick look at our levels here. This is on the weekly level. As you see here, we came down and we tested our S3 on the weekly chart, and then on the monthly chart, the S&P got as low as actually stayed above pivot. So go figure that. But technically, for the month, pivot's down at 4,500. S1's at 4,400. S2 is at 4,100, and S3 support 3 is at 3,800. So technically, this market could sell off all the way down 3,800 for the month. That's 2 days. 2 days, and this market could still come down that substantially. I mean, if you look at this market, the way it's just been, it's just gone parabolic, in my opinion. You know, um, here was the March 20th pullback. Pullback was 2,000 level, and from that level, it's just gone straight up. Very few checkbacks to the 20 period EMA. We had MACD crossover, so it was a very strong bullish crossover. But the liquidity from the Fed has definitely driven assets into more riskier markets, and that being, look at the overall market. A lot of risky assets have traded a lot higher. So, looking for a check back to about 3,800. That's how I view it. So we'll party check back here in a little bit, in about 25 minutes or so after this market opens. We'll see you then.